What is an option? Huobi options is one of digital assets derivatives. An options buyer has the right to buy or sell the asset at the strike price on the expiration date, while the option seller is obliged to become the counterparty if the buyer exercises the options. What an options buyer purchases is a right. If exercising the options on the expiration date is beneficial to the buyer can execute to gain profits. If not, the buyer can give up the right and the seller does not need to perform the contract. Users can trade options to hedge the risk of current spot positions or gain profits from predicting the future price of options premium. What is Huobi options? Huobi is the first platform in the industry that launches USDT quoted options. On Huobi, users can trade options of various assets just by holding USDT. In this way, the risk of holding positions and the switching cost are greatly reduced. Huobi options are European options that are delivered in price difference, and the options can only be exercised at a specified time on the expiration date. When the options expire, the platform uses the arithmetic average of the index prices in the last hour as delivery price. All open positions of in-the-money options will be delivered in the difference between strike delivery price without physical delivery involved. Options trading is 24x7 round-the-clock trading that will not be suspended except for the delivery period of weekly options at 16 o'clock GMT+8 every Friday. The suspension time depends on the system's execution time of the delivery.